Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, woke up a little late. We're starting the small account challenge today. And so far, don't see anything that I really like. But let's just tap in. The first thing we're gonna look at is HSDT. And that fell. Don't necessarily like how it looks, but we'll keep an eye on it. Let me put that on watch. Next is GCTK. That drop as well. I'm gonna put that on watch. Let's see if there's anything else. Let's put LMFA. Yeah, this one held up a little bit. And I'm gonna also put this one on watch as well. So no news for this one. No news for that one. And we have a news for that one. We have news for HSDT. Spread is a little bit wide. So now we just have to wait patiently and see what we can do. So first thing, we found the stocks that we need to trade, potentially. Now we have to wait for everything to align. Okay, so let's see if we could potentially take a trade on this one. So I took an entry. Let's see if it goes to 16. Average is 14. Can we break that 16? Okay, so I'm gonna take that $20. There was a big seller there. Right there, that's why we got that little pushback. So I took an entry. Average is 78. So I took some partial, break even on the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that for now. And it looked like it should resume at 469. So basically where it halted at. Right here. So let's see how price reacts. So I took an entry. Average is 89. And I took that nice little bounce play. It was like $35 on that play. So I'm at 121 on the day. Could have taken partials and just held the rest just for a more bigger move, but I don't think it's going to go any higher. We might either stall out here, then continue to break down, and we could potentially hold it and make another leg up before falling down again potentially. And I think based on how price action is, that outcome is a little bit more slim